Hello, my name is Eric Brooks. I'm a brand specialist with Alpine Electronics, and I'm very excited today to talk to you about a new product we just released called the DVR C310R Advanced Dash Camera System. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up this box. We're going to look at what's in the packaging. We're also going to talk about the features in this system, and we're going to do an install and show you how it works in a car. So let's get started. Okay, so we're all ready to unbox and check out what comes in this DVR C310R. So let's go ahead and get started, right? Open this up, so exciting. So what we see first is the actual main camera unit. So that's right here. So you can see here it has a really nice fit and finish. It's got our Wi-Fi and our record button on the back. Just a really nice looking piece here. So we're going to set that right there. We continue to open the box up a little bit. This over. All right, so what else do we have in here? Okay, so this is our secondary camera. So what this does is we can actually, this has options. So we can put this on the windshield itself, looking into the cabin of the vehicle, or it can go on the back window, looking out at the rear of the vehicle, and so it has that capability. Something else that's really cool about this system is we have this GPS antenna here. This is a standalone GPS antenna, so that's really nice to have. We have some mounting options. So this is mounting for the camera itself. We have a number of different extension cables, so depending on where you're going to actually mount the camera itself, we have 3 different extension cables. So if you mount it in the front window, on the back window, or anywhere else, you have those options. Something else for the install side, we have, this is a cigarette lighter adapter. So if you want to just do a quick install on this, and you can just plug it right into your cigarette lighter and get power there. So we have that capability. We also have a hardwired kit. So this, for the customers that want to do a little more custom install, or for our 12-volt specialists, this is a custom install kit. So this allows us to hardwire directly to the vehicle. We have some wire management pieces here, so we can do a really nice clean install. Then we have our owner's manual and our SD card, right, for recording the video on. So that's what comes in the box, right? So really cool, a lot of stuff, a lot of options. Flexibility for install. So what we're going to do next is we're going to go over some of the features of this product, and then we're going to see how it works in a car. So let's get that going. Okay, now that we've unboxed the DVR C310R and we've seen everything that it comes with, I've gone ahead and put it in our Jeep using the cigarette lighter adapter just for a quick install. And what I want to talk to you about now is the app that we have, the configuration and setup of the camera itself, and then a little bit about how it works. So first off, what you're going to want to do is download our app, the Alpine Recording Viewer app. Okay, and this is going to allow you to see all kinds of things and set up the camera. But before you set up, you've got to do a connection. So you're going to open up the Wi-Fi settings on your phone. You're going to push the Wi-Fi button on the camera itself, and then you'll be able to link to the camera. Then you open up the app, and then you'll see all kinds of things. You'll see camera setup, you'll see live view, you'll see connection status, you'll see information about the camera itself. So what we'll do is we'll just talk about a few things within this app and how it works. So first thing you should do is push the live view button, and then you'll see the image that the camera produces. And within that live view, there's a little tab that you can hit to give a grid. And what this allows you to do is sees there's a line for horizontal and vertical alignment, so that you can get the camera set properly in the center of your dash. There's your live view and your setup. From there, you go into configuration of the camera itself. So this has some really cool features. Number one is an impact sensor. So if you're driving and there's an impact to the vehicle, it can tag those videos and save them to a special file, which you'll see in the app. But you can set the sensitivity through the app itself in the setup menu. So you can set the sensitivity for your impact, you can set the brightness of the front and rear cameras, you can do timestamps, date stamps, speed stamps on your videos. You can set up for kilometers or miles per hour. So there's a lot of different parameters that you can set up in the camera through the app. When you want to view your videos, there are several pages where those are stored. So you have a standard continuous recording page, which shows you all the videos that records. You'll see an event recorded page, which is anywhere where there's an impact sensor recording. You can also do manual recording. So if you hit that record button on the camera itself, it'll save that specifically too. So there are all kinds of ways to see your videos on the camera, and then on those file names, there's a little button you tap and you can download those videos directly to your device, so you don't have to be linked to the camera any longer to be able to view those videos. So those are one way to look at the videos. The other way is there's a 32 gig SD card in the camera itself. You remove that card, put it into your computer, and you can see all the videos that it's recorded right from there. So this unit's very cool. The picture quality is outstanding. It's very small footprint. It looks really good in the dash, and I've enjoyed having it so far. I'm learning a lot about it, and I really like having it in the vehicle. So that's what we're talking about, the DVR C310R. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll talk to you again soon.